Okay, like everybody else that's been wondering how to turn off the wheelie control on the new Ducati V4, turn on the ignition, go to the mode, enter. Well, make sure you're on the setting menu here. Scroll up and down till you get to setting menu right there. Just push once and let go the mode enter button. Push once and let go again on riding mode. Street, same thing, DWC, go to that. We want wheelie control. We want off, push that once, let go. Back, and exit. Done. If you want to make sure where you are, you push and hold the button. Brings you up to the menu, and you can see the wheelie control is off. Perfect.